Good day, Biomeds. I have here a automatic voltage regulator from Gold Source, and the problem with this one is there's a smoke coming out of the inside. So first we're going to open this one. By the way, it is being used by the hemodialysis machine. This is a 3 kVA AVR. So first thing to do is to open up the cover so that we can see what's inside, or what is the culprit of the smoke. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Okay, it's now open, and we have here the main core, and we have here, this is the breaker or the switch, the relay, and the control is in the other side right here. So first thing is, the purpose of this AVR is to stabilize the voltage from the input, and it will be regulated. And right here we have the outlet. There are 4 outlets right here. We have 110 and 220. The output of this one is 220, and it is stable, meaning this one right here, this is the stabilizer. Every time there's a voltage fluctuation, this portion right here, it will turn right or left in order to stabilize the voltage. So it is also the protection of our hemodialysis machine from voltage fluctuation. So what we're going to see here is the smoke. Where is it coming from? Okay, and as you can see here, I think we found the culprit. There's a burnt out winding here. So we're going to find out why is it burned out. Here we are. As you can see, the contacts here, this one, I think the carbon tip is missing. As you can see here, it's can be moved smoothly. It should not be like this. By the way, the motor for this one is under this casing right here. So first thing we're going to do is to check this carbon. Oops. Okay, I'm going to open up this one. Okay, here we go. I think we found the culprit. Actually, this one is the contact. Okay, here we have the surface contact for this carbon bar. Every time this fluctuation here, this one move and it will stabilize the voltage and in this area. And the first thing to do is to replace. I think we're going to replace this one. And we'll see the output. And also this one will replace the carbon bar. Okay, now that we found out the problem, I'm going to replace this one, and I'm going to change this to wires here, or maybe I'm going to replace this one since I have lots of this core here. Okay, I already replaced the burnout windings here. Actually, I did replace all this core here, and also this one, since I have a extra carbon contacts here, so I did replace this one, and also the burnout windings, or the whole winding itself, the core. And I'm going to test this one again. Okay. Okay. So I think it's functional now. Okay, I'm going to turn this off. Pull out. I'm going to check whether the motor itself can turn this one in the other direction, and we'll try to see if it does stable the voltage. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. So I think it's functional now, and I'm going to cover this up and return it again to the dialysis unit. That's all, Baymates, and God bless.